Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will be showing you how you can get your Pipedrive API key. This is useful for integrating Pipedrive with other apps, automation tools, or custom scripts. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your Pipedrive dashboard is you will go to your profile icon, which is right here. Click it, and now that you're here, you will just have to click Personal Preferences. And now what you will have to do is just click this API section right here. But due to privacy matters, I won't be able to show my API. So what you will have to do basically is just click this, and you will immediately see your API there. So what you will have to do is just copy it and save it securely. And then of course, make sure to store it safely and do not share it publicly as it grants access to your account data. So yeah, if you want to use API key for integration, you will paste the API key into your integration app or automation tool, and then you will follow the app's instructions for connection. So yeah, that's how you can get your Pipedrive API key to connect your CRM with other tools securely. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.